Okay, so guys, in this video we are going to talk about how you can use character AI on laptop. So it is pretty basic, guys. I'm gonna walk you through all the sign up process, and then you'll be able to use character AI on your laptop, guys. It's a very good application to use. So character AI basically uses different kind of AI personalities which you can use. It will chat you with like human behavior, guys, and you can create the character, define its personality, and do all kind of stuff. So what you have to do, you have to type character.ai. When you type that, then you'll receive the web page. Then just continue with Google. Now the sign up process is completed, guys. It's pretty easy. So just select your date of birth. I'll select mine, and then I'll be done. So let's click on continue. So when I click on continue, now the sign up process is completed. What you have to do now is basically create a character or use the character already available. Let's talk with your pet cat first. Let's click on that, and now this is a newborn kitten baby. Now let's type hi here, and let's click on enter. Now let's see what the response will be. It's a pet cat, so now we'll see. It is providing us a response, and you can also use the voice feature to create your own character. Just click on create, then click on character. When we click on character, now let's name it old man. Man who is old will be the tagline, and the description of the character. So I have a description for that too. So this is the description, and now greeting, which is greeting that your character will give, and this will be my greeting. As you guys can see, wanna know, kids? So yeah, this will be the greeting, and you can allow dynamic greetings. If you don't know what the dynamic greeting is, you can just hover into that. So what it will do is it will just generate unique kind of greetings based upon the personality of your character. So yeah, now you can also add the voices, which is the new feature. Now let's select the old man, and then click on create character, and it will be the public character. So guys, you can just make it public so that anybody can use that. So as you guys can see, it is greeting us. So hi, how you doing? Just type that, then we'll see what the response will be. Okay, as you guys can see, and it's also giving me the response in voice, guys. It just sound too old and good. So yeah, this is how you can use basically character AI, guys. This will be the basic video, so I'm not gonna dive deep into that. We just created a character, and we just used a character which was available before too. So you can just play with it and see. You can use it in various kind of ways, guys, which we are gonna discuss in future videos. So yeah, guys, this is the basic video how to use character AI on your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching this video, guys.